Hello traders and welcome to PL Capital's Market Review. All views and opinions expressed in this video are my own and do not constitute financial or trading advice. Today is Tuesday, November 15th, and it's almost 4 p.m. Central Time. I want to do a quick review of all markets, the S&P, Nasdaq, the US dollar, and energy of oil and natural gas. All the markets are pretty much in just oscillating right now. Not a whole lot has changed from yesterday, coming into some key areas on some of these. So just want to do a quick review. So let's get started. This is the US dollar index, looking at a 4-hour chart. So same as yesterday, I still see this as an A, B, and we're coming down for C. And as I said yesterday, this move here created an ABC down that broke this C. So there is the potential, let me zoom in just a little bit. There is the potential, because we just completed an ABC today. Actually about 6 o'clock this morning we completed what I see as an ABC. So this could be ABC for 1, ABC for 2, this ABC is 3, 4, and now we just completed 5. So we do have 5 waves. So technically, that's all that is needed for the C wave, and it is completing at the bottom of this purple box that I've had drawn since last week. So let me zoom in a little bit more. So this area right in here will give us a lot of answers. If this area holds and we start to come down hard, then I'm going to feel more confident that, like I've been saying, I think all of this move down is just creating a leading diagonal for the A wave of the third wave. So we'll have an ABC to complete this third wave. So we'll be chopping up and down, mainly down, for at least a couple weeks, if not longer, to complete this whole move. But let me zoom in real close. So I see this whole move up today, it created an impulse. So there's a running flat here, and then there's a 3 and a 4. So we got one wave up. So that's not, if this is a correction into this zone, that'd be just the A wave. And now we might be done with the B wave, or we might still have one more wave down, and then we'll go up for a C. So that's why when we come up, I would believe that we're going to come up again for the C wave. So we'd have, if it's going to create a typical ABC, watch it when it comes up to here. Like if it starts to get pushing above 107.51 pretty hard, then we might have to revisit this, and we might actually be done. The US dollar might start heading up. But if it kind of just breaks this top and, somewhere up here, kind of starts to stall, and then we start to get a strong downward move, then I'm going to feel confident that this was 3, we're going up for, this is 4, and then we're going down for the 5th wave of the A wave. So keep an eye on this zone. This will help us a lot with the S&P and Nasdaq too. So let's just slide over there. I'm going to start with the Nasdaq just because, as I said yesterday, I still see this as it's creating an ending diagonal. And, I thought yesterday right here that they were done. We came up with an ending diagonal up here, and I thought they were going to be coming down to make a correction. So this was all the A wave, and then it'd be coming down. They ended up making a running flat here. So 4 ended here, and then we have this 1, 2, and then they finished 3. So PPI came out this morning at 7:30 Central Time, and it was lower than expected. Or actually, it was, what was it? It was, I think it was the same. Let me see. Oh, yeah, the forecast was for 0.4% month over month, and it was only 0.2. So it went down, the producer index, producer price index. And so that shot the market up. So I think this completes this leading diagonal from last Thursday when CPI came out. Boom, shot up. So I think this is all leading diagonal for the A wave of the fifth wave. And so now, we've come into this zone that I see we should be either bouncing from if we haven't already made the low. When I really zoom in, I can see one of two things in this move down here. It's either WXYXZ or it's a leading diagonal. So it's either A, and then this is either finished with B or it's still completing B, and then we'll drop down one more for the C and then go up, or this could be all the correction and now we'll be going up. So I still see more up in the Nasdaq. So that's still why I believe that the dollar still has a little bit more to go down. And then if we just slide over to the S&P, same thing. Let me zoom out. This is all one of the fifth and final wave, and we've come down into that zone. So it's the same thing. I see it. It either needs one more leg down to complete the C wave. We're correcting this whole move up, or we're going to go up from now. So that's what I see on the markets. I'm going to slide over to oil, and it's just really been going sideways here for a long time. So as I said last week, we had this strong move up, we have an ABC down, and then we have this ABC up, and we just broke it. So this is either 1, 2, 3 for a leading diagonal, and now we're correcting, and we do have like 3 waves down, and so now we could be going up, or this is an ABC correction, and now we're going down. And we just don't have enough information right now. Like when I zoom in, we got an ABC down, and then we have an ABC up, right here, ABC up, and then we have this ABC down, and it broke that low. So either this is coming down, this is W, X, Y, and we're totally going up, or we could be making an X and a Z and then go up, or this is creating a leading diagonal. So this would be ABC for 1, ABC for 2, ABC 3. This is definitely 1, 2, shot way up here to 88 today. That'd be 3, and then if it comes down hard and gives us a 1, 2, 3, then that's obviously looking like a leading diagonal. So, but it's just a lot of chop right now. We don't have a direction yet. Not until we can get up here into this range more with some thrust, or we start really coming down hard, we won't be able to make a declaration yet. It's just that it's a 50-50 call. That's oil. And then natural gas, pretty much the exact same thing. We've got what I see, let me zoom out. I see this whole move down from the August high. See it at WXY. And then we've got a little correction here. So this could be WXY, and then here's 3 waves for a W, 3 for an X, and then 3 for a Y. So that could be, this could be WXY, and this was all X, and now we're coming down for the Z wave. Or this could be WXY, correction's done, and this WXY is actually a 1, 2, or I guess a B, C of a leading diagonal. Because if I zoom in now to the 1 hour, So here's this 1, 2, 3, and then we got an A, B, C. So that, if this is 1, 2, 3 for 1, this could be 1, 2, 3 for 2. But they gave us, another A, B, C up. And now, if I really zoom in here, this whole move is an ABC. So we're just stuck in between this 6.505 and this 5715. We've just been going sideways, and it's just all three ways. Not until this high gets taken out or that low gets taken out. It's a coin flip as to what they're doing. Could be making a leading diagonal. This could be ABC1, ABC2, and now this is all going to be making an ABC for 3, and it's going down. Or this ABC was the correction, this is the low, and this is starting a leading diagonal to go back up. So we just don't know. It's just been going sideways. Gives strong move down, and then it just grinds up, and then a strong move down, and it grinds. And but now today it was looking pretty weak in the morning, came all the way down here, broke that low, and then now it's reversing and going back up. So for me, it's not tradable yet. I need more information. One of these has to be getting taken out before we can have a bias on direction. So that's what I see. Love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good night. Bye.